shit. Woo! Looks like I just got a tip. I'm going to accept every Uber Eats order for the next 12 hours. It doesn't matter if it's a $3 order, doesn't matter if it's a $50 order. Just kidding, there has never been a $50 order. It doesn't matter, I'm gonna deliver that food. Now, why am I doing this? Because why the hell not? Now, right now, when an order comes in, I check this, I check that, I check this, I check that. And then I do a bunch of complicated math, and then I decide whether I want to accept the order or not. Now, I've been doing this for every order, but I wanted to try something new. So I wanted to give this new strategy a shot. So get ready, set your engines, and let's go. Yeah, can I get an iced coffee with no ice? All right, now I'm ready. And here we go. All right, now this is gonna be broken down into 4 separate shifts. This is gonna be the breakfast shift from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Then we got the lunch shift from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Then we got the off hours, I guess, the off hour shift. That's gonna be 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. And then we got the dinner rush. There it is, the first order. Let's do it. Oh man, 15 items at McDonald's. Whew. We're back. On to the next. Oh, seatbelt. Emergencies. I'm a mess. It's honestly crazy how many driving laws you break. Haha! I always love finding like the secret back entrances. I feel like such like a spy almost. Probably the lamest spy in the history of cinema, but well.
Creepiest door ever.
Honestly, pro tip, always plug in your phone to charge it all day, because the Uber Eats app just destroys your battery. Happens every time. All right, this is my favorite order so far. I gotta make a Yui though. $8, 12 minutes. Perfect. So a little pro tip, besides, putting on your seatbelt, is click delivered after you get in the car. Now why? Especially if you're in California, Uber pays you for the minutes worked. So if you're going up to, let's say, the 3rd floor, wait till you get back to your car, because technically that's work time. Like it's still part of the delivery. They just don't tell you that on purpose. I've never had a triple pickup before, all from Chipotle. So I actually just made an order at Chipotle. So I'll pick up mine and the 3 orders, and then make the deliveries, and then slam down the burrito. I absolutely love it. You pull up, and the meter's green. I don't know why, it's just a weird superstition, but I kind of just go offline and online, like a lot. When you just log on, like I feel like Uber Eats just sends you the Gucci orders. Weird conspiracy theory, but I believe it. Wow, they actually have delivery driver parking spots. I've never seen that before. I feel like today it's been a very, very typical day. No big tips so far, no crazy good orders, nothing super bad either on the other side. So I feel like it's a very average, typical day, which might be perfect for this video, so everyone can get like a perfect understanding of what a typical day would look like money-wise, and also, the ins and outs of this whole thing. It's pretty wild sometimes. Hey look, a Brinks truck. Is that an omen? better, Uber Eats or DoorDash? How have I done Uber Eats?
They both suck.
What the heck happened there? All right, now after that double order, I actually haven't had an order in 45 minutes. So that's like the biggest issue, I want to say, with Uber Eats is that you can get fantastic orders, but sometimes it just stops. But I'm gonna try one other spot before the lunch rush is over. Fellow Uber Eats driver. This one just like hurts my soul to do. And the Uber Eats map is just, it's so weird. It's telling me right now to go behind the shopping complex and go to the back door essentially, when it's right there. Starbucks is by far the most popular pickup that I have. By far. That and Chick-fil-A. All right, now so far we've done the breakfast rush, the lunch rush, and now we're gonna head into the off hours, which is just a few hours before the dinner rush. It is officially the dinner rush. Let's go make some money. These are the money. Oh, looks like I just got an order. Let's go. This is by far the sketchiest delivery that I've done so far. Woo! Super sketch. Super sketch. Hi Rachel, this is Nicholas, your food delivery guy. I think I followed exactly what you said and I'm right next to some stairs. Is that where I need to be? Awesome, man.
Nice car.
Thank you thank you so much. I appreciate it. Have a great day. Absolutely love cash tips. Oh, this is so hard to get out. It's always hard to get out of places. Now I'm pretty confused with this one. It says drive up 7 floors. I feel like I'm having like a secret meeting on the top of a parking structure. Yep, looks like we're going to row number 7. I feel like once a night I get lost. Once a night. Shit! Holy shit! Woo! Looks like I just got a $40 tip. I don't know from what. Oh, it was the 7th floor dudes. Shit you not, it is another 7th floor garage. It says go to the 7th floor. I'll screenshot it. Well, looks like I'm going up by foot then. Another one. McDonald's order. dust. Another one bites the dust. That was the final delivery for the day. It's been a long 12 hours. I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, I'm tired, all of that. So I'm gonna get home and wait for all the tips to come through. We shall see. I'm super excited. This was a great day, really fun day. All right, let's go to Nick in the future.
Several days later.
All right, I am back. I got my comfy clothes on, and here is the recap on the day. Now, for the entire 12 hours of driving, I made $268.92. Now, I also made $20 in cash tips, and I also got a liquid death as a random tip. So with everything combined, it came out to just under $300. Pretty good. It's not crazy good, but it's pretty good. Now, as far as my expenses for the day, as far as the gas and wear and tear on my car, I'm kind of writing that off as just a net zero, because I live in California and I get Prop 22 money, which essentially means they give you a base pay if it's not met, which is never met. And then they also give you 30 cents per mile driven, which will pay for gas. Now, I'm just going to throw it up on the screen because it's going to come out next week. This is how much money I made in Prop 22 money, which essentially would cover all of my expenses. Now, if these numbers look great to you and you're looking to drive, I threw a referral link in the description. There'll be a quick summary of what you need to do. But yeah, it's in the description. You could check it out. All right, now here's my honest review. And that is that Uber Eats is not good to have for a full-time job of just doing that. The orders are too infrequent and the orders are just all over the place. You can get a $4 order for 30 minutes and then you can get a $25 order for a 30-minute delivery. But if you are in California, you pretty much are guaranteed $20 an hour. If you're constantly taking orders. So if you do what I did today, you're gonna get pretty much at minimum $20 an hour. But the biggest thing are just lulls. You're sitting in your car, you're walking around, you're just driving through the city, and you're not getting paid for it. So the infrequency of it, the craziness of the fluctuation of the orders, it doesn't make it a reliable full-time income. Now, a part-time side hustle, fantastic. Now, what I think this is personally best for is to turn it on when you're doing errands. When you're going to the mall or you're doing some shopping yourself, you turn it on and then you could pick and choose which order that you want. If you're commuting to a place, you can turn it on and see if there's an order on the way. So it essentially pays for your gas and a little bit extra. Or if you're getting food yourself, you could pick up your own food and someone else's. So not just doing this standalone, having other things that you're doing while Uber eating is the best way to do this. If you have a job that you could hypothetically do in your car, this is perfect. So personally, I think Uber Eats is a fantastic part-time side hustle, but a terrible full-time job. So overall, highly recommend it as a part-time gig. I do not recommend it as a full-time gig. So that's it. If you're still here, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You have no idea. Check out all the links in the description. There's a lot of helpful stuff out there. And yeah, thank you for supporting me on my journey. And hopefully this inspired you on your journey. All right. Have a wonderful night. Peace.